Welcome you guys. Today we are going to be checking out some cool ideas and little design hacks that you can do when you're building a home that are ideas that don't necessarily cost a lot but could really be useful and fun when you build. First up, I'm Molly with Design Loves Detail. I'm an interior designer and my husband and I have built 3 homes now. We're remodeling one as well. And so we have learned a few little things along the way of cool ideas that you can incorporate as we've designed these homes. And in this house, I'm going to show you a few of those, of course. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of our next videos as well. As you guys have probably seen, one of the popular trends happening in home building for the last little while is these kind of lockers. So you can have hidden storage. Each of our kids has one of these. And one thing that I incorporated in our layout was I put the laundry room on the other side of our mudroom here. The kids come in from outside through the doors, and so that the dirty laundry actually makes it to the laundry room, I put a little pass-through that goes into a laundry basket on the other side, so it's right there in the laundry room and doesn't have to get tracked through the house. When they have, you know, a muddy coat or whatever, just put it through there. So here we are in the laundry room, and in here, inside this cabinet, is where the bin is. And the laundry chute is just right there where the clothes go into. Here we are over in our pantry space, and this is another thing that's been super helpful. We call this our Costco door. Inside of this cabinet, you'll see on the back wall here, this little door goes right into our garage, and you can unlock it and open it and back your vehicle right up so that the groceries can go straight in, slide them across the floor into the fridge or into the pantry, wherever they go. And it's been super efficient and really, really fun with the kids too, because then it gives them a little job. They usually make an assembly line to get all those groceries in and into the fridge, freezer, or pantry as quickly as possible. Down here in the basement, we just finished, I guess it's been about a year. We did an under counter fridge because we were tight on space. And so this has been kind of cool. That those are an option to consider if you want a refrigerator but don't have the full size space. And down here you'll see it looks like drawers, but it is actually a pull-out panel. So it's kind of a faux panel front for our double garbage cans here. So know that when you are designing a kitchen, you can get creative like this and do something that maybe maintains the symmetry, like because we have the drawers on the other side, but still has the look or still has the function of whatever you want to add. Here in the kitchen, we did something that's also really functional. We added a dishwasher here and also here. So on either side of the sink, we have one. And because we have 4 children, we end up with a lot of dirty dishes, and this has really helped in getting them actually washed. And with appliances, dishwashers tend to be one of the more reasonably priced options as far as the other appliances in the kitchen go. And so this is one that if you can squeeze it out of the budget, I think is really, really helpful on a daily basis. We use both of them every single day. So that's another little trick I'd recommend if you have the space and the budget for that when you're building a home. My biggest piece of advice that I'll leave you with is when you're designing a home, if you're starting from scratch, think about how you live, think about how your family lives. And if you have, for instance, messy children like I do, you can plan for that with clothes storage and things like that. And really make your home functional and beautiful too. Thank you guys for watching today as I shared a few of our little things that we incorporated into this house that were unique elements. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified of when our next video is live.